Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for coming out for a special STEM program. Now, today we're making bubble juice, and that's from the book Science Experiments That Fizz and Bubble by Jodi Wheeler-Toppen. Fun projects for curious kids. So, I take it that you're a curious kid. And curious kids can be of any age. So, let me be clear, okay? And who doesn't like bubbles? Now, we usually get bubbles, just like this. And you get a bubble wand and blow bubbles. And that is just as fun, right? This time, we're going to make bubble juice. So just imagine we're going to make kind of some of this, right? What you need is 1 cup of warm water. We have our cup of warm water right here. And of course you want to do this with permission, from your parents, your caregivers, your guardians. And if you need help, of course, ask for it. All right, so we love that you love science, but we want you and are caring about your safety even more. So I'm going to pour this 1 cup of warm water right here in the bowl, just like that. Now we also need 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. So corn syrup is light in color and it looks like this, and so we need 2 tablespoons. So what do we mean by tablespoons? Well, you've probably seen little plastic spoons like this, so we're going to count it out with me. And we got 1. I'm going to stir it right on in there, and we're going to go for 2. Stir that right on in there. And we'll put the top on here. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. So, if you wash dishes, you know what it looks like, right? So this is what this is, the liquid soap. So we need 2 tablespoons. So once again, help me count it out. And we're going for our first 1. We'll just stir that in there. And number 2. There we go. So in our bowl, we have our bubble juice. Now, the thing about this is that the corn syrup will make, hopefully, the bubbles stronger. So it's okay, it's just like using the bubble liquid in here, but we're going to test it out and see if our bubbles withstand our test. Okay, so I have a bubble wand. I'm just going to take the wand and dip it in, and let's see. Bubble down. Okay, now you can try and make bubbles with your bubble wand. You can use straws if you have a pipe cleaner. Oh, there we go. Woo! Look at that. So we get our bubbles. You get the idea, right? So we can blow our bubbles. Let's see if we can try something else. I'm going to now try using this pipe cleaner. So we're just going to take it, turn it just like this, and I'm going to twist it just like that. So if you don't have a bubble wand, if you have a pipe cleaner laying around, and we're going to take our bubble juice again. Let's see. Getting it out there. Okay. Ooh, there it goes. Now, there's another way I like making bubbles as well. So, when you've tried your bubble one, and we're going to also try a straw, regular straw. So we're going to just try dip it in and see what we can do with our straw. Let's see. Not much came out of this. So let's try one more time. I'm really going to put it in. Oh. Okay. We didn't produce a bubble. That's okay. I'm going to try it this way. Now, this is a homemade bubble blower. So as you can see, now this was a plastic bottle. I just cut it in half. Poked a hole in it. You don't want to go to the bottom. Poke a hole in it somewhere lower. And I put a little straw in it. So now I'm going to take some of the bubble juice and I'm going to pour it in. You want it below the bubble. Below the hole that you poked. Okay? So, let's see if this works. And we're going to pour it in. Alright, and you see, you don't want anything leaking. So, if you like blowing bubbles, if you have milk, or if you ever had juice and you just blew bubbles, you know what this is. So let's see if we can make a bubble tower. Wow. Now that's better. Now that's bubbles. So I'm going to finish this tower. Let me see if we can finish it out. As you can see, the bubbles are holding on. Look at that. Strong bubbles too. And it keeps going and going. Wow. So now I have a handful of bubbles. And they're all made simply with our bubble juice and our homemade bubble blower. So I hope you were inspired to try your own. You can try anything. You can try a bubble blower. Once again, you can try a straw. You can try straws. You can try, of course, the standard bubble wand or the pipe cleaner. And the bubble juice is easy to make. And of course, you want to make everything, once again, with permission. Alright? So, also I want to encourage you guys that it's that time again. Yes, it's summertime, but it's also time for summer reading. So if you want to sign up, visit the Plainfield Public Library website at www.plainfieldlibrary.info. Okay? And you can sign up right online. Or if you want to call us, you can also do that for more information. Well, until we meet again, and until we blow bubbles again, this is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library, wishing you a very bubblicious day. So long for now.